Hello friends, today we shall discuss exercise 3.3 question number 5. Write the smallest digit and the greatest digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that the number is divisible by 3. A dash 6724, B 4765 dash 2, right? The first number is dash 6724. What you have to do, this number A is, we have to find one number, that is one smallest number or one smallest greatest digit and smallest digit so that the number formed is divisible by 3. First of all, we have to remember what is the divisibility rule of 3. The divisibility rule of 3 is, first of all, we have to add all the numbers, and if that number is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3, right? Like for example, we have written this question. The question is A. What you are finding, you see, this is A. The number is dash 6 7 2 4, right? This is 6 6 7 2 4, right? Suppose in dash we have taken one value, that is x. We have taken x here, right? Now if we add all the numbers, what you are getting, that is x plus 6 plus 7 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4. Here we will get one number such that the number is divisible by 3, right? And if we take the table of 3, then it is 3 1s are 3. We are taking the table of 3, 3 1s are 3, right? This is 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 into 2, that is 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Now this is 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9, then 3 into 4, 3 4s are 12, 3 into 5, 3 5s are 15, 3 into 6, 3 6 are 18, 3 into 7, 3 7 are 21, 3 8 are 24, 3 into 8, 3 8 are 24, 3 9 are 27, 3 into 9, 3 9 are 27, 3 10 are 30, 3 into 10 is equal to 30. Now you find that if we add all the numbers, that is x plus 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4, we will get one number such that the number may be divisible by 3, right? If we add the numbers, what you are getting, you see, that is x plus 6 plus 7 13, 13 plus 2 15 plus 4 19, x plus 19 is equal to, we get one such number such that the number is divisible by 3. And we have to put the smallest digit and greatest digit. Now if we write the number, we have to write this number, that is 0, that is 0 or 1 or 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, right? Now if we put number here, you see the number is 19 plus dash and divisible by 3, that means the nearest number, that is which is divisible by 3 is 21. Here you see the number is 21, right? That means if we put x is equal to 0, suppose we are putting x is equal to 0. For here x is equal to 0, that is 19, but 19 is not divisible by 3. If we put x is equal to 1, if we put x is equal to 1, then what we are getting? 19 plus 1, 20. 20 is also not divisible by 3. If we put x is equal to 2, then we are getting 2 plus 19. 2 plus 19 is equal to 21. And here you know that 21 is divisible by 3. That is 7. Right? 3 7 is 21. Right? Therefore, the smallest digit we can say is 2. Right? Therefore, we can write the smallest digit as 2. That means we can write 2, 6, 2, 6, 7, 2, 4. This is the number which is divisible by 3 and the smallest digit is 2. Right? This is the smallest digit. This is the smallest digit. Smallest digit. Right? Now, if we put the greatest value, what is the greatest value? The greatest value is 9. Here you see the greatest value is 9. Right? Now, if we add 19 with 9, we are getting 28. But 28 is not divisible by 3. Right? That means we have to take 27. Here you see 27 is a multiple of 3 or divisible by 3. Right? This is 27, which is multiple of 3, right? Then we have to take 27. That means if we add 19 with 8, you see the next number is 8. 8. If we add 8, that is 8 plus 19 is equal to 27, right? 8 plus 19 is equal to 27. And 27 is divisible by 3, that is equal to 9. 3 9 is 27. That means we have to put the value 8. Therefore, the next number will be, this is a, that is 8, 6, 7, 2, 4, and this is the greatest digit. Greatest digit. Let us repeat once again how we have solved the problem. First of all, here you see the number is dash 6724. And what is the divisibility rule? The divisibility rule of 3 is if we add all the numbers and that number should be divisible by 3. Therefore, you have taken first as x. That the value is x plus 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4 equal to dash divided by 3, right? Number next one is x plus 19 is equal to dash divided by 3, right? Now if the numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If we put the smallest value, that is 0, that is 19 plus 0 is 19, but 19 is not divisible by 3. Next one is 1. If we put 1, that is 19 plus 1, 20. 20 is also not divisible by 3. Next number is 2, right? If we put 2, that is 19 plus 2 is 21, and 21 is divisible by 3. Therefore, the smallest digit is 2, 6, 7, 2, 4, right? And the next, if we take the greatest digit is 9, right? If we add 19 with 9, we are getting 28, but 20 is not divisible by 3, right? If we add 8, that 19 plus 8 is equal to 19 plus 8 is equal to 27, which is divisible by 9. Therefore, the greatest value or greatest digit is 8, right? The smallest digit is 2 and the greatest digit is 8. Now we'll do the next problem, that is question number B, right? Let us do question number B. Now, next we do question number B, right? Question number B is, the number is 4, 4, 7, 6, 5, dash 2. Right? Now, first of all, we write the table of 3, that is 3 into 1, 1 is equal to 3, 3 into 2 is 3 to just 6, 3 into 3 is equal to 9, 3 into 4 is equal to 12, 3 into 5 is equal to 15, 15, 3 into 6 is equal to 18, 3 into 7 is equal to 21, 3 into 8 it is 24, 3 into 9, 3 9 is 27, 27 and 3 into 10, 3 10s are 30. Right? Now you see, what is the divisibility rule of 3? First of all, we have to add all the numbers, and if that addition is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Let us take here the number as x. We have taken here as x. Therefore, we all have to add all the numbers, that is 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus x plus 2 is equal to, we get such a one number such that that number will be divisible by 3. We'll get two numbers, one is the smallest digit and another is greatest digit. Now if we add all the numbers, that is 4 plus 7 11, 11 plus 6 is 17, 17 plus 5, 17 plus 5 22, 22 plus 2 24, that is 24, 24 plus x is equal to dash, and that number should be divisible by 3. Right? Now the numbers you can put and in the on the place of x is 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6, 7 or 8 or 9. Right? Now let us take the smallest digit, that is 0. Here you see, let us take the smallest digit, that is 0. If I put 0, that is 24 plus 0 is 24, and we know that 24 is divisible by 3, 3 8 is 24, that is 8, 3 8 is 24, right? Therefore, here if we put x, in the value of x is 0, then we will be getting the smallest digit. Therefore, in the first place we can write, that is 4, 7, 6, 5, 0, 2, and here you see that 0 is the smallest digit. 0 is the smallest digit. Right? One answer we got. Next one is, suppose the numbers are, the highest number or greatest digit is 9. Here you see the greatest digit 9. If you put 9, what we are getting? That is 24, 24 plus 9. 24 plus 9. That is 9 plus 4. 24 plus 9, that is 9 plus 4, 13, carry 1, 33. And you know that 33 is also divisible by 3, that is 3 11 is 33, right? That is 33 is also divisible by 3. Therefore, the highest number or greatest number will be 9, right? That means you can write the number as 4, 7, 6, 5, 9 and 2. Here you see that 9 is the greatest digit. 9 is the greatest digit. Right? Again, I am explaining the same. That is, the first one is 4767, 4765. In the dash, we take x and 2. If you add all the numbers, 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus x plus 2 is equal to get one number, and that should be divisible by 3. Therefore, 24 plus x is equal to dash divided by 3 divided by 3. Now, you have to put, suppose we put zeros. Then 24 plus 0 is equal to 24, and 24 is divisible by 3. Therefore, the smallest digit will be 0, right? Another way, the greatest number, the greatest digit is 9. If we put 9, 24 plus 9, we are getting 33, and that is also divisible by 3. Therefore, the greatest digit is 9. Therefore, the answer is the smallest digit is 0 and greatest digit is 9. This is the solution of exercise 3.3 question number 5. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.